So, ayun na nga guys. Punta ako dun sa sa probinsya ng aking friend. Sa Cheongju. 3 hours from here. So, guys. Yan. Biyahe-biyahe tayo from Pohang to Cheongju. So, yun. First trip. 7:15. So, hindi talaga ako natulog kasi baka lumagpas ako. Yan. So, 2 hours akong travel. Papunta doon sa province na Surrey. Muna tayo. Maulan. Punta na ako dun sa sa mall malapit dun sa binok ni Mr. Rio na hotel. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. So, dito sa Korea is like, technically kung iisipin mo siya, wala naman siyang pinagkaiba sa Pilipinas yung lugar. Although mas malinis nga dito, pero ang tingin kong rason bakit mas komportable maglakad dito is yung respect ng mga tao sa private space or sa space ng bawat individual. So ngayon ay part pa rin ng national holiday ng Korea. Tinatawag nilang Chuseok. So makikita niyo sa kalsada, parang wala masyadong tao kahit tong mall. Ito ay Jewel City Mall. So naghahanap ako ng kakainan. Wala ka makikitang masyadong tao dahil nga Chuseok. At ang Chuseok ay national holiday. So karamihan ay nasa kanya-kanyang bahay. At dun sila naghanda sila para sa family. Yan. So ako, hanap na kakainan. So, kain muna tayo. So hindi tayo kumain ng 3 araw sa labas para makakain tayo ng masarap. So inipon natin yung food for 3 days budget para kumain. So umorder ako ngayon isang 14,000 won, saka isang 34,000 won. So, gusto kong itry yung different types of sushi. Okay. Hintayin natin dumating dito. I see you again for you. You call this hebol? Haibol? Hebol. Haibol.
This Japanese style whiskey, lemon juice, and tonic water.
Tonic water. Wow.
Japanese style. But in the restaurant they use the real lemon,
Yeah.
sliced lemon. But here
It's
I just use lemon juice.
lemon juice.
It's okay.
Yeah.
The same flavor.
Haibol.
Highball.
And then
There's
this
a can in the convenience store. You
Mhm.
can find highball cans.
Haibol can.
Yeah, okay. The name is Jimbim.
Wow. This is whiskey
Yeah, whiskey.
or brandy?
Scotch whiskey.
Scotch whiskey. Yeah.
Tonic water.
Wow.
It's not so strong, and so ladies
Can drink.
like this, like
Yeah.
this.
Nice. Wow. Your house is like very good.
Yeah.
It's like I like the theme. Maybe
Oh,
I'll do it also. It's like clean.
공부자 저쪽으로.
Yeah.
그럼 pollution, air pollution.
Yeah.
Near the it's kitchen.
Kitchen.
Maybe it's going to move here.
It's really good.
Yeah. There's a lot of people is here.
Is it like autonomous?
Yeah.
It has camera also.
카메라.
It's good.
지열이 갔다 오고 테스트하라고 그래서 이쪽에 공기가 감지돼가지고.
It's like air filter.
Yeah, air filter.
And because someone's cooking,
No, it's a lot of people's here, so
the breath.
the breath.
Yeah, the carbon dioxide. Oh, it's really good. It's really good. Yun. Last day ko dito sa Cheongju. Kung saan in-invite ako nung kasama kong expert sa WorldSkills Korea. Nakasama ko siya na-start ko siyang na-meet noong around 2018. Pumunta kami sa 2018 ba? 2019 nung pumunta kami sa Kazan, Russia for WorldSkills International. So na-meet ko siya as Korean expert. At the same time siya yung deputy chief expert during that time. And moving forward, nagkaroon kami ng connection, communication, collaboration na laging related sa skills competition. Even na-invite kami ng HRD Korea para mag-train sa kanila. So, to make it short, maging, kumbaga, deep yung connection namin. To the point na nagawa niya akong i-invite dito sa kanyang hometown at na-meet yung kanyang family at na-invite pa sa lunch, traditional lunch ng isang Korean family during Chuseok. Sobrang thankful ko dahil sa opportunity na mga na-encounter ko during the past years. Nakabuild ako ng connections and relationships sa other culture na napakalaking learning experience na I hope maranasan ng iba at wag mahiyang kumbaga connect with other cultures and countries. So yun, mamaya, pag nag-check out ako, ihahatid niya ako sa, or igagala niya muna ako kasi yung biyahe dito, yung KTX, yung provincial train, yung kumbaga connecting nung bawat probinsya nila dito. Parang airport, may schedule. So mamaya pang mga alas 5, alas 3 yung hindi flight eh. Ano ba tawag doon? Yung voyage, yan. Yung biyahe ng tren. So, ang check out sa hotel, ayun, by the way, binook niya rin pala ako nung dalawang yun. Yung papunta dito, yung hotel, at saka yung pabalik doon sa aking location. So, sobrang generous. Maraming salamat sa kanya. Na-enjoy ko yung tingin ko bihira mo lang ma-experience bilang ibang nationality na na-experience mo yung Chuseok kasama isang Korean family. Iba-iba yung pakiramdam. Nakakatawa no? Sa K-drama ko lang siya nakikita, pero na-experience ko siya dito sa Korea. So hindi ko nang ni-record yung interactions namin kasi nga siyempre ang kilala ko lang naman talaga doon is si Mr. Yu, yung tatay. At na-meet ko yung asawa niya, yung anak niya, yung asawa ng anak niya. Yun. So, masaya yung naging experience. Ano ba tawag na? Welcoming. Masasabi mo welcoming na kahit hindi sila komportableng magsalita ng English. They try to accommodate you. Yun lang. So, tignan natin yung the rest of the trip after mag-check out. So, ngayon ang oras ay 10:40. 12 ay check out. Then mag-lunch kami. Nanigagala niya raw ako before ihatid dun sa KTX, dun sa train station. This is the dashboard.
Yes.
So wide.
Yeah, it's a new version.
and then
2025.
wow.
I sell the electric car. It's exactly same model, but I bought same model but gasoline version.
Gasoline,
Yeah.
because of the
Yeah,
fire and the time you spend for charging.
Yeah.
Gas is much more faster, but this car is good. Wow. You can change this color.
Yeah, but automatically when I drive over the limit speed, they turn red.
Oh.
And when I visit kids protect zone,
Turn red.
yellow.
Oh, it's automatic,
Yeah.
connected to Naver Maps.
Yes.
Wow.
GPS.
Very
Not Naver
good.
map, Hyundai they made them own map.
Oh.
GPS system. It's connected.
and they're updating the information
Yes.
of the crossroads.
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow. The 3 days are very gloomy. It's like rainy. Wow. Your car is still silent.
Yeah. Turn off automatically.
Oh,
Turned off. When I stop, turned off to save the oil, gas.
and then it starts just by
Yeah, I
pressing
just push the
gas.
push the accelerator, just automatically started. Yeah, you see, I brake. Yeah,
And it stops.
engine off.
Whoa.
Now engine.
The city, you can see a lot of trees and mountains. A mixture of nature and city.
Yeah, it is important. It is based on the law. The regulation is by the law. If not, they don't want to have, they want to use the spaces to build more building. Yeah, but by the law, it's not allowed.
Cheongju?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where we came from.
Yeah.
Now we're at the mountains. Wow. For reversing, oh yes. And there's a top view. The concept of this is I understand it, but I cannot do it digitally.
Yeah. But this car has automatic parking system, but I never used it. I believe myself.
It's like even in this kind of parking.
Yeah.
Wow. It's good.
Okay.
Okay. This is Sangdong-san.
Sangdang.
Sandang
Sangdang Sansong.
Song.
Sansong means the world in the mountain.
World in the mountain.
Song means world. San means mountain.
Huajangshila toilet.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see the leaves turning
Yellow, yeah.
and red.
What is it? It's like 8.
Maybe next month.
Yeah. So, why is there a lot of Chinese character?
Because a lot Chinese visit here.
Oh,
That one.
this one.
We used to use Chinese character before Hangul.
Before
King
Sejong.
Yeah, and after Hangul created for a long time, they used
Hangul.
Chinese character.
Wow. This is the south gate of something important. Oh, is it the area?
Yeah. Where are you?
Ah,
It's big.
this is south gate.
Big.
And that's why. And then this is, there's no north gate. This is
This is mountain. That's why this is a good place to protect, because they cannot
go out. Yeah. And they
mountain.
cannot aim from the high vantage point.
over the mountain.
I'd like to fly drone here.
Yeah, if it is okay, you can come here.
Yeah. What's this place again? Sangdang.
Sangdang Sansong.
San.
That's Korean soups.
Korean.
Noodles there. And let's go.
Yeah. So, Mr. You bring me to Sangdang Sansong.
Yeah, Sangdang Sansong.
World within the mountain.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's so good. Really good. Worth taking pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kimchi jjigae.
So, Mr. Yu assisted me from the hotel to here. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Yu.
My friend.
Yeah.
Very fast. That's not yours.
Very fast. Yeah. So, we're waiting for the train.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's not time. You have 7
7 minutes. Yeah. Let's see how fast is the train. And that train is from Seoul to Busan.
But
Oh, this is the train to Busan.
yeah, it is Busan as well. That's as well. But sometimes they stop here. They stop there.
Yeah. So the train to Busan movie.
Yeah. It's coming.
Yeah.
From there.
Yeah. It's much more slower than the other.
Just stop.
Yeah.
Let's do one.
The first one. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Yu. Thank you for